Alright, I turned on my microphone so people they can hear me in the video. So so this is my first time talking on a video. So I'm like, alright. So I'm in a VIP server with my friend AJB's. And we just discovered that the paintball gun can shoot through glass. Like solid glass. Explain. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go the same place he was and demonstrate from my perspective. So he legit just found this out like a while ago, and I just came. All right, let me get lined up perfectly. There you go. So no, tell me, is it hacks or just skill? uh, Alright, I just broke the glass. So the paintball gun did go through the glass. Well, that's just a little myth that just if is next window. Oh, this one. Oh, this one. Alright. Alright. Backspace. Alright, I'm coming. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the window, and then I'm gonna try. Alright. I hit you. This is bull. This is bull crap. We can't go through the way. It's a solid window, like it's a mesh, but the paintball gun just goes through it. Like at a certain angle, it goes through it. Well, I get that's all. That's all for today. I'll probably upload again. Bye.